Hey everybody, I hope you've all been doing well. This is the newest episode of Cooking with Fire, and today I really just have three words for you: warm potato salad. Now, please bear with me. The only reason why I call it warm potato salad is because I do not personally serve it cold. Obviously, keep it cool in the fridge, it reheats very well. This is my favorite potato salad to make. My mom actually gave me this recipe, and then I butchered it to my liking. Mom, I love you, and I hope this potato salad does you proud. Let's get all of our ingredients together. First, let's get 4 large russet potatoes, washed, 2 egg, 2 2 eggs, 2 eggs, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, celery salt, dill relish, mustards of your choice, and mayonnaise. First, we're going to peel and cut the potatoes. I personally don't like skins in my potato salad, but do you? Also, we need to make sure we cut them to small enough pieces because it's going to take less than 10 minutes to hard boil the eggs, and we want to make sure that the potatoes and the eggs are ready about the same time. Now we're going to check on our water. It should be boiling at this point, and we're just going to carefully put everything in. This is the best way I can think of putting the potatoes in here without burning myself. Also, shouts out to this glove. And shouts out to this cutting board my mom gave me. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy about it. Thank you so much for this. Also, thank you for giving me the motivation to keep going with this channel. Whenever I have a moment to wait while something's cooking, I want to try and get my new workspace set up. So here you can see I cleaned off everything. I got all of my utensils lined up in a row. After about 10 minutes, check to make sure that your potatoes are fork tender and get an ice bath ready for your eggs. Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. Thank you very much. First, we're going to get the eggs out one at a time. If you've ever had a trouble with your eggs not peeling all the way off the shell or as easily, it's probably because they haven't been cooled down enough. I would try that. I'm going to let them sit in this ice bath just for a few minutes while I drain everything else out. Oop. Now we're going to bring our pot over to our strainer in the sink and just drain out all that water. We're going to give our potatoes a good mash, as thick or as creamy as you want them. It's up to you. I tend to give them a good mashing, and then they end up getting a little bit more softer as I start mixing everything else in. That's about good for me. We're going to take our hard-boiled eggs that we already shelled, and I'm going to use the large option on the box grater and just grate them in. Whoop, got it. Make sure to get out any egg that might be stuck to the underside of your grater. For measurements, I'm going to lean on my handy dandy trusty notebook. This is where I keep a lot of my ideas for recipes and jot down little doodles if I have them. If you don't have a journal, try one, get one. See how you like it. Ah, found it. Here it is. Okay. Got it. We're going to start with dill relish, and we're going to go with 1.5 to 2 tablespoons. If that sounds like a lot, just start with one. You know, it's all subjective. Taste as you go. I ended up settling for just under 2. Next, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of celery salt. Ideally, I would just use celery seed and just add the salt on its own. It's not what I had. This is what I did have on hand. So I'm just going to be really careful with it and extra careful when I add my salt at the end. Yeah, as you can see, I don't even reach for the salt at this point. We're going to go right into garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I would be a little hefty with it. I like my garlic. I am not lying. The next step is 35 cracks of black pepper. If you want to switch this out for measurement, I would do maybe a teaspoon to start out with. Now we're going to get our half cup measure and measure out 1/2 cup of Hellmann's, Best Foods, your favorite mustard. If you want to make your own mustard, do it. Literally anything you make from scratch off of this will only elevate it even more. It's only going to make it better. Now that the mayonnaise is in, we're going to get a 1/3 cup and fill it up with your favorite mustard. I'm actually going to do a mix of yellow mustard and spicy brown mustard. If I had stone ground mustard, I would probably put that instead of the spicy. But you know, mix and match. Do what you like. That looks close enough to a 1/3 cup. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add that in now. I absolutely recommend getting a spatula and using that to stir it instead of a spoon or anything with a well that you'll just end up collecting a bunch of unmixed potato salad in it. But, you know, give it a good stir, give it a good mix, and here's where we're going to taste and salt in a moment. Ooh, look how creamy that is. That looks fantastic. I'm so happy with how this is coming out. Now we need a tiny spoon. Get a tiny spoon, get a tasting spoon, and get you some of that. Ugh, amazing. Look, look at it. Listen to me. When I tell you that this is a beautiful potato salad, I mean this is a beautiful potato salad. Now we're gonna get our salt, and I'm really only gonna put about 1/8 of a teaspoon, if even that. There was a lot of punch in the dill relish as it is, and I don't want to overdo it. Give it another mix, make sure it's all incorporated. Potato Salad Incorporated, LLC, thank you very much. And we're gonna give it one more taste. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? This is what we're working with. I love it. It's amazing. It's absolutely delicious. I love it. You're gonna love it. Please try it out. Let me know how you think about it. Remember to grab your bougiest Tupperware, because remember you're about to bring this in front of other people, in front of other folk at the cookout, at the barbecue, at the, I don't know, church dinner. You need to show out. Presentation makes everything, so make sure you get a nice, good surface on there, smear it all in. Ugh. This is a chef's treats right here. When you get to lick the spatula, that's what's up. And that's it. That's my potato salad. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please like, share, comment, do all those good things. Please stay safe out there. Social distance, wear your mask, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your meat, wash your vegetables, wash your body, everything. Love you guys, and I will see y'all the next video. Bye.